Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best garage door seals is probably one of the most overlooked parts of your garage door, but it plays a vital role in keeping your garage insulated, secure, and pest-free. A worn-out seal can lead to drafts, pest infestations, and even damage to your garage door opener, not to mention the inconvenience and added costs. In this video, we will review the top garage door bottom rubber seals on the market, helping you choose the perfect one to keep your garage in tip-top shape and save you money in the long run. Number 5. Papillon Garage Door Seal. It creates a tight seal that blocks out water, wind, snow, and leaves. Enjoy a cleaner, quieter, and more energy-efficient garage. Made from durable EPDM rubber, it can withstand extreme temperatures and won't crack or break. It also helps prevent rust and condensation damage. At 10 feet long, it's easily cut to perfectly fit your garage door. Get a perfect seal every time. Installation is quick and easy, no professional help needed. It comes slightly longer than advertised to ensure you have enough material. It's built to withstand daily use and harsh weather. This provides long-lasting protection for your garage while remaining flexible. What we like. It creates a tight seal blocking all types of weather. The premium rubber ensures it's durable and long-lasting. If you are looking for an easy-to-install solution that provides excellent weather protection, this is the perfect choice for your garage. What people say. Worked perfectly easy to install. No more water leaks in the garage. I had built an enclosed workspace with an additional exterior workspace all on the same elevation. Forgot to raise enclosed area 1-2 for water to come in. This product placed at bottom of roll-up door works perfect at deflecting water. It's about 1-2 high. And the area did not have any direct water hitting exterior space. So it's fine. I glued it down with Gorilla Glue in a caulking tube and made certain I removed air bubbles with a wanted result of some oozing out from under edging to trim off excess glue later after it dried. The product is easy to cut with a sharp utility knife. The rubber material appears to be a quality material. This strip is sturdy, strong, and it was easy enough to place under the door. I carefully cleaned the area and let dry, then put strip in place and marked with a pencil. Then squeezed out a zigzag pattern of liquid nails type adhesive using a caulking gun. Closed garage door and let set for 24 hours or more. Then went around the edges of garage doors with little chunks of the strip and some mortar type of caulking to seal the edges. Worked great, and the only place it leaked was where there were concrete cracks, so I sealed those up so the water couldn't travel via the cracks. Number 4. BOWSEN Garage Door Seal. This is the BOWSEN Garage Door Seal, designed to keep your garage weathertight and energy efficient. It's a high-performance solution for a better, more comfortable garage. Made from durable EPDM rubber, it withstands extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. It effectively seals out rain, snow, and other elements. This seal features a unique U-shape and O-ring combination for superior protection. It's built to last and handle even the harshest weather conditions. Installation is a breeze. No screws or nails are needed, it's easy to cut and install, replacing your old seal in minutes. It helps keep warm air in during winter and cold air out in summer, saving you money on your energy bills. It's a smart investment for your home. This seal offers superior elasticity, even in freezing temperatures. It's not afraid of snow and ice, providing year-round protection. What we like. This product boasts superior weather resistance and is incredibly easy to install. It's designed for heavy use in various weather conditions. If you need a heavy-duty seal that can withstand extreme temperatures and provides excellent weather protection, this is for you. Number 3. BOWSEN Garage Door Seal Kit. This kit is a perfect solution for sealing gaps at the bottom of your garage door, keeping out unwanted elements and improving insulation. It's easy to install and built to last. It fits many types of doors, not just garage doors. Use it on gates, sliding doors, or anywhere you need a weatherproof seal. Its versatility makes it perfect for various applications. The sturdy aluminum track securely holds the rubber seal in place. This ensures a long-lasting, effective seal against drafts, dirt, and moisture. Made from high-quality EPDM rubber, it can withstand extreme temperatures, from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. It remains flexible even in the coldest weather. You'll receive a 16-foot aluminum track, a 16-foot rubber seal, and plugs, and screws, everything you need for a complete installation. It's ready to use right out of the box. This heavy-duty seal provides long-term protection against drafts, dirt, and rain, keeping your garage clean and comfortable. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's built to withstand daily use. What we like. It offers superior protection with its heavy-duty design and aluminum track. This ensures a long-lasting, durable seal for your garage door. If you prioritize durability and a secure fit, especially for wood garage doors, then this is the ideal option. What people say. The 1-to-1-4 track fit the garage door perfectly. I slide one side of the seal on with help from my wife. It went pretty easy without using any soap and water. On the other side I used a window screen roller to push it in, that was brilliant and easy. The aluminum track is cut into shorter sections so it is easier to handle with just one person. Just be very cautious to line up the ends perfectly or the rubber seal will bind when it goes through the joint. Use lubricant, use a screwdriver and you'll have the seal up in minutes. Number 2. Jin&Bao Garage Door Seal. It effectively blocks water, snow, dust, and leaves from entering your garage, keeping it clean and dry. This improves the overall look and protects your belongings. It's built to withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 284 degrees Fahrenheit. It won't crack, dry out, or break, providing long-lasting protection. The bright yellow safety strip makes it highly visible. Anti-slip ridges and a serrated base ensure secure adhesion and prevent slips. Installation is quick and easy. You can easily cut it to fit your garage door, even if it's less than 20 feet long. With dimensions of 20 feet long, 3.7 inches wide, and 0.6 inches high, it's the perfect size for most garage doors. It's safe for various floor surfaces. We stand behind it with a 360-day warranty and friendly customer support. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. This option provides extra long coverage and is built to last. The added safety strip enhances visibility. If you need a longer seal with added safety features and superior durability, this is a great choice for you. What people say. Survived the first rain and fared extremely well. This was super easy to put down on our smooth garage surface. It's very thick and heavy plastic so I feel like this will last. The threshold seal is made from a hard dense durable rubber. It bonded extremely well to the cement floor and has showed no signs of loosening or lifting. It works great. I've always had some water getting under my garage door and this stopped it. Lay it out in the sun to warm it up and make it softer. Measure your required length, measure twice 3 times cut once. Place it down on the floor, lower the garage door to hold it in place, adjust the position as needed, use a pencil to mark the borders on each side of the seal. Number 1. Jin&Bao Garage Door Seal. It effectively blocks water, snow, dust, and leaves from entering your garage, keeping it clean and looking its best. Say goodbye to messy garages. It's built to withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 284 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it won't crack, break, or dry out. It's perfect for any climate. The bright yellow strip makes it highly visible, and the anti-slip ridges enhance safety. Its unique design ensures a secure fit. Installation is quick and easy. You can easily cut it to fit your garage door, and it adheres well to various surfaces. With a generous 20-foot length, it's suitable for most garage doors. It's 3.7 inches wide and 0.6 inches high for a perfect seal. We offer a 360-day warranty and friendly customer service to ensure your complete satisfaction. Your happiness is our priority. What we like. It offers a long length and is designed for ultimate durability and convenience. The innovative design makes installation a breeze. If you value convenience and a long-lasting solution, this is a perfect fit for your needs. What people say. When the driveway was poured, it wasn't sloped properly and some water would end up under the garage door. I put this down across the garage door threshold according to directions and it worked great. Very easy to install. Cut to fit with a scissor. The seal strip is high quality and easy to install. Not even a drop of water can enter now. The yellow safety strip is a brilliant addition, making it highly visible and safe. Installation was straightforward, thanks to the included adhesive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.